All right, welcome to lesson one. In this lesson, we're just going to explore the site, get our feet underneath us, and make sure that we understand what is expected of us during the semester. So let's get started and just kind of walk through the site. All right, when you're on the home page of the site, we have obviously the welcome message and the welcome video. Probably the most important thing for you to get to your make sure you are familiar with is the weekly homework. So every week we have reading and labs, as you can see, and the points are displayed here in the right hand corner. So you can see in week one we have a scavenger hunt coming up. We have week two, we have a warm up and some reading homework and what have you. So everything is posted for you up front. The labs, if you click on a lab, the labs are all hosted in GitHub Classroom, and you can click the starter code to get access to the code. Some of the labs may not be released right away. For example, if we look at this lab right here and we click the starter code, you can see that there's a placeholder. And don't worry, if you see that that just means the lab, maybe I'm still working on it, or there's some updates that need to be happening. It will be released well in advance of the due date. So every lab, if you go back to the every lab and homework, is listed here on the course homepage, as well as the due date that you need to have it finished by. I would encourage you to read over the documents that are linked on the left, the class coding standards, GitHub help, and if you're interested, you can read over the learning objectives of this class that kind of detail what you're supposed to learn. That basically is the overview of the website. The course links is also important because it gives you the link to the textbook, the discussion forum, the GitHub course site, which is where all of your code will end up being hosted, grades and office hours. The discussion forum will be our primary method of interactions, as well as videos. But the discussion forum will be real-time interactions between myself and the other students. So please make sure to log on, make sure you can access everything, and make sure everything works. So the course introduction is fairly straightforward. There's no points. All I got to do is watch this video, and I encourage you to go ahead and get started on the scavenger hunt as you're on your first week's assignment. So I look forward to interacting with you online.